I'm not in student debt to be here. I'm actually learning on the job and getting paid for it. The biggest thing is that I was able to come into a career that I never thought I'd be doing. To be a female in a male-dominated industry, it's awesome to be here and be able to be a machinist, because you also don't hear a 18-year-old want to be a machinist. I always get the blown back look because that is the choice that I wanted to go with. So I'm so happy that AJAC was like an option. Hi, my name is Kayle Arneson and I'm an AJAC graduate and a machinist at K&N Electric Motors. So K&N Electric Motors is one big happy family, and we put a lot of pride into our work. We repair electric motors, but we also do pump repair. We work on hydroelectric parts and several other machining operations. It definitely grew over time for my identity or wanting to actually be in manufacturing. I had no idea that this would be the thing that I would follow or the path I would be in. It's always nice to have a job that, you know, once you have those skills, they can't take those away from you. What you can do with your hands is something that you can never lose. What I do at K&N Electric is I repair electric motors, but also I take a piece of metal. It's like taking a piece of paper and putting an awesome drawing on it. I mean, that's what I do all day long, is I take this piece of metal and I cut it into something usable. I actually make the parts. I also fix whatever the engineers can't seem to understand, or I re-engineer the part to make the part work. I do everything that I can to make the part exactly what the customer wants. Well, the thing is that I knew coming on that I was the first female to ever be on the shop floor here. I wanted to prove everybody wrong. I wanted to make a statement to be here because my dad didn't raise me that way. I wanted to make a statement, and even then in all the AJAC classes, I've been just about one of the only females in the AJAC classes. But I think it's awesome that I'm here and able to show, hey, we can do it too. So going through the machine apprenticeship, I would say I honestly thought it would be a bit more difficult, but the way that it's structured and the way the curriculum is, and hands-on learning at the same time, it was super easy to learn. They make it really nice, simple, easy, and you learn it so much quicker. And you get to concrete those skills. With this, I get to show exactly what I learned over my 4 years and get to carry it with me every day. I will honestly never forget my AJAC instructors. It's just like having my mentor here at work. The AJAC instructors give you something that you can carry with you forever. Even not just with manufacturing, but the other things that they had taught me about just with jobs and different skills, that I will always carry them with me because that's turned into my skills today, especially Andrew Coleman, Daniel Clark, Jason Weiss. They're all amazing instructors, and I love them dearly. Especially being the machinist trade, is that there's so many guys who are retiring, and that is just about over 50% of the industry retiring, and they have so much knowledge from then to now that if I didn't have my mentor who's had 25 years here, that I wouldn't know the tips and tricks that I would have, because I feel like today we're kind of going into an industry where they're just teaching you to press a button and sweep a broom. I do the engineering, I do the making of it. I literally build it up from the ground up and reading it from the same prints, or even making the print. And it's all from stuff that we've made 100 years ago and we're replacing. If it wasn't for my mentor or my AJAC classes, I wouldn't be able to do any of that. Now that I've lived an apprenticeship, what apprenticeship means to me is we're carrying on the industry. If we don't have apprenticeships, if we're not teaching the new generations, we're going to have a dying industry. I love the fact that there's apprenticeships where you get the hands-on knowledge and you have a degree to carry it, and the hands-on skills that you've learned for the past 4 years to be able to get said job. Because without apprenticeships, again, we could possibly have a dying trade on our hands where nobody's getting into, because as much as, yeah, you could be a paper pusher, we need food on the table, we need parts repaired, so we need apprenticeships and we need them here to teach the new generations, because if they weren't, where's the knowledge gonna go?